everyone, I am glad to see you on my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Lucha and I make DIY home decor videos. I love doing DIY just like you do, so I make videos every single week. And if you want to be part of my YouTube journey, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this $4 artist panel into classic Bohemian tray. So without wasting a minute, let's get started. First of all, I started with buying this artist panel. Size for this is in the description box below. I painted it black and left it to dry. Then I had this placement with bamboo sticks in it. It was attached with threads and a net in the back to all these pieces together. So I started by putting this cool glue in the back, just on the edges, because when we cut this placement, pieces doesn't fall apart. Once the panel and the placement were dried, I started taking accurate measurements for it, and then I figured out that it could be better if I cut the edges first. It was easy, and I did that with my utility knife. I took measurements again and started cutting the edges. Now let me tell you that this is thin bamboo wood, just like chopsticks, so it is very easy to cut it with a scissor. And there might be a chance that this placement comes in an inaccurate stitching, so do not follow that. Make your own line, and it is suggestible that you mark your own line before you start cutting on the edges, so in that way you can make an accurate measurements how you're gonna place it on your panel. If you want to be sure, take measurements 2 to 3 times, smaller parts of your placements, so there might be a less chances that you make mistake. On the last step, I prepared the panel with a super glue to stick that mat. Once I placed the mat, I checked the glue that it is not coming out from the layer. I did not place any weight over it just because I was afraid that the weight that I'm gonna put on the mat that might stick to the placement. So I did not place anything over it, and I left it for like 24 hours to dry, and this is how I made it. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you have, leave a comment under the video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So I will see you all in the next video. Bye.